Today, we will be eating all the Juicy Lip tutorials. Now, we're gonna have different levels, from drawing on paper to drawing on digital. So, let's go. Alright, so we have Juicy Lips on paper. Okay, first, they're drawing a worm, then add a cupid's bow. Okay. And then they're shading it, and they're just basically using the soft shading to form the shape of the Juicy Lips. Oh, and what's that? They're outlining the lips again. And lastly, ooh, jelly roll. They're just adding the juicy highlights. Juicy? Huh? That was so basic. I could totally beat that. Let's do this. So, I'm using my mechanical pencil and not a regular pencil, because regular pencils are for poor people. Anyway, let's draw a worm real quick. Add the top lip, and then a little butt chin. Okay, time to shade. So in case you're wondering what that thing was, this is called tortillon. It's French. And yes, this is the same product they used. Theirs just looks busted up. If you're poor, you can just use your fingers or a rolled up tissue. That works just fine too. But you need to scribble a little bit like this, just so it has something to spread. Shazam. And then just layer it on. Shazam. Make it darker, make it darker. Okay, now let's use a pen to outline the lips, and then we blend it. So much better. Also shading the butt chin over here. Now, lastly, I'm gonna use this white gel pen. It comes out very awkwardly, so let's just tap it like this. And now let's do the top juicy highlight. And there we go. Now, if you don't have a white gel pen because you're poor, that's okay. Just use your electric eraser from Temu, which may or may not contain lead. Now just erase to create juicy highlight. There we go. It's very identical. Poor people friendly. Anyway, easy, basic. I totally beat that tutorial.
OMG, Kooleen in her paper era? Her art before looked like dog crap. How did she get so good?
Well, it's mostly due to practice and of course, tutorials like these. Now, this segment is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is the largest learning platform where you can learn anything, from photography to editing to even taking care of your plants. Finally, your plants will stop dying on you. Even better, you don't have to search for lessons. They have this thing called learning paths. For example, this is a complete beginner's guide to drawing if you have no idea how to get started. And then once you graduate noobness and you want to hone your skills even more, you can move on to more advanced classes, like this class by YouTuber Chris Hong, which I'm watching right now. Now, this summer is the perfect time to learn, bro. So, the first 500 people to use my link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Get started today. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring. Okay, on to the next. Me, every time I have to draw an ear. Okay. Skill issue. Y'all are looking up pictures of body parts to draw said body parts? That's just like me for real. That's why I have so many feet pics in my gallery. Anyway, clearly this is a skill issue. We can't just live life not knowing how to draw ears, right? Now let's look at the comments to see some suggestions. I just scribble some lines. Let's try it out. First we need a smexy bald head. Okay. First, let's draw the base of the ear. Okay, let's try to scribble some lines. It's just very random. Ooh, looks like Picasso's art. 7 out of 10, close enough. Here's another suggestion. I just give up and cover it with hair. Oh, good idea. Let's try it out. Okay, no. It's giving Lord Farquaad. It's giving that one character from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Next, I just do the old reliable X. Okay, let's do an X. Okay. No. Now, it might work on cartoons, but not on manhwa art. Let me show you a big brain tip to draw ears. Just draw a 6 like this. Okay, well, maybe not a 6. Maybe like a dyslexic 6, you know? Like flip it. So let's just draw it like this. Alright. So from there, we're gonna follow the direction of the 6. Let's just add some lines to make it look like we know what we're doing, and then add some shading a little bit, and then boom! Juicy ears. Okay, well anyway, let's just draw the hair real quick. 10 out of 10. Awesome tip from Kooleen. Next, this is a slideshow, I guess. The hell is that? Is that freaking Illuminati? Okay, next. Okay, they added some curves. Pretty sus, but okay. Next. Oh, what the? Huh? Okay, last slide. alright. Well, those certainly are lips. Okay, well, I'm not gonna lie, that looks busted up. Bro, why are the lips so geometric? This is not a freaking math equation. What is this? The Pythagorean theorem? Nah, cause why is that whole part a straight line? Let me teach you the basics, okay? So this is what the front view looks like. And yes, this may be just a demonstration, but I'm still making it juicy. So as you can see, both sides are equal, cause it's facing front, alright? But what if they're facing in the 3/4 view? Well, obviously, these two parts are not gonna be equal, cause the middle is now facing in the 3/4 direction. So let's just sketch it out real quick. Imagine the top lip has a heart in the middle and the bottom lip is made up of two ovals. If it changes direction, the shape follows the direction. Listen, I failed math in high school, but this is just basic, okay? Similarly, if the lips are slightly open, it will still have shape, alright? I don't want to hear any of that Pythagorean theorem crap. Just remember the heart and the two ovals. Not gonna lie, it looks like the Batman logo. 3 out of 10. Next. Okay, next level. Let's try juicy lips from YouTube Shorts. Many people warned us not to take advice from YouTube Shorts, but let's see if this is gonna turn out juicy. Draw a plus sign first. Draw 2 hearts vertically. Ooh, this is new. Draw the basic lines of the lips. That looks like a bird to me though. With a soft brush, draw the shape of the lips. Pick a darker color to shade the inner part of the lips. Create an overlay and pick a pinkish tone with a big soft brush. And lastly, they added juicy highlights to make it juicier. Alright, nice. Wait a second, what are these comments? Kooleen. Kooleen should be proud of this girl. Kooleen, now let's add details. Smegsified. Hey, I don't say smegsified. That's so cringe. Stop embarrassing me like that. Anyway guys, let's try out this ultra smegsy juicy lip tutorial. Okay, again, just draw a cross, then 2 hearts. Okay, why do they look like balls though? Now we're just gonna follow the guidelines and draw the shape. Alright, let's color. So first, let's use a light pink for the base colors. Now a darker tone for the inner part of the lips. Okay, so they said to make an overlay layer and then airbrush a pink color onto the lips. Ooh, now it looks ooh la la. Okay, so now we're just gonna add some white juicy highlights and then liquefy real quick just to make the lips plumper. Ooh, very juicy. Ooh la la. You can do this on any drawing app, by the way, even on Ibis Paint. 69 out of 10. Next. Okay, alright, the final boss. Lime lips. I know.
Kooleen, that's so 2020.
I don't care. Okay, let's watch this TikTok real quick. Bro, what brush is that? It's so smooth. Bruh, that looks like a picture. Basic. We can beat this. It's so easy. Alright, first we're just gonna draw the overall shape. Just draw those nasty teeth. And then color it with dark green. Let's add the juicy lip color. Lime. Okay, no lie, she needs a dental appointment because what are these teeth, bro? Alright. Basic. Okay, now let's color the lime. And then we're gonna... Yeah, so I gave up. Anyway, I beat almost all the juicy lip tutorials. I am still number 1. Anyone who says otherwise sucks. Anyway, thanks for making it till the end. Watch this next and I'll see you there. Stay cool.